땐 노키스야 아침이 많아져 시대 거의 높으라 그런 무엇
The weather is actually so nice today.
무엇에 나 이때는 대하이도와 가래
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
저들이 오직 고운데 제가 안가구를 봐 오하루
I just finished my homework. I guess today, since it's 12:01, is my birthday now. So that's cool. I'm gonna be waking up at like 5 tomorrow so I can volunteer for homecoming always. But it's like 11 p.m. and I'm not even halfway finished with my Latin homework. And I have a Latin quiz tomorrow, computer science unit test tomorrow. Okay, so I'm gonna test out noise cancelling for the first time. Okay, so right now it sounds like normal, and then I can kind of still hear with noise cancellation. And then what? Whoa. I keep forgetting to record when I'm doing homework. Currently, I'm working on my biology project that's due tomorrow. I spent time before that working on a chemistry project. By the way, the chemistry and biology project are due tomorrow. After that, I just have like 3 assignments and then the virtual stuff for today. Last week, 3 violin auditions in 1 week, plus so many tests, plus homecoming, plus my birthday. Watching Avatar and eating chips. Okay, so I finished my lab report. I just want to do like one more thing before I submit it. I'm gonna submit it tomorrow, but for now I'm going to take a short break and then I'm going to do my biology notes and then I'm going to answer some like questions for biology and then I'm going to move on to either English or Latin. I also have I think 2 tests tomorrow, so I'm gonna study for those too. Also, when I say this year is busy, this is what I mean. As you can see, it's a very short and definitely manageable list. You know, it's only Tuesday and I didn't really record until now, but I'm going to do my biology homework now. So I have this paper, notes, and then progress checks in AP Classroom. So I just had psych club. Right now it's like 3:30 maybe. I'm going to go chill in Panera. Also, the weather is actually so nice today. sticker of Dora on my Chromebook right here. So I'm going to be replacing it with something today. I did some of Latin. I studied for the test tomorrow. I'm going to update my phone to iOS 17. I think I left my lunch in my Latin teacher's classroom. I have this little box of PJs and some of the clothes in here are so old that I don't even know if I can still wear them. So I'm going to be sorting through all of them to see if I can still wear them. For the shirts, I'm going to be comparing them with the pajama shirt that I wear most frequently now. And then for pants, I'm going to be comparing with this pair of pants. Honestly, I barely did any homework today, and I kind of don't want to do any more homework today. Basically, all I do is my online work. I'm just gonna submit my gov work.